Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of LeetCode, where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a node while solving a problem that can be attached to that particular problem, so that if you try to revisit that particular problem, and if you have noted something that needs to be concerned about, you can directly refer to your node. So in order to achieve that, let's first simply open a problem interface. Now this is the problem interface. Now to add, for example, if I want to add a note for this problem, like how I solved it or some other functionality, just simply hit this option right in the right of submit. When you click over there, you can see this option of markdown. Here you can write whatever you want to add as an example of a note. For example, I've written just example and I hit enter. Now this note has been saved with this problem, and if I again hit node, you can see this is currently written over there, and if I revisit again, I'll definitely find it.
I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.